me about yourself.
Hi, my name is Ben Sapay. I graduated at Northeastern Mindanao State University with a degree of Bachelor of Science in Business Administration, major in Business Economics. I am dynamic, self-disciplined, flexible, and trustworthy. Person who works quality and completes. I have a skills in project management tools, active listening. I would willingly carry out duties outside of my job descriptions.
What is your greatest strength?
My greatest strength is when I am doing my works happy and motivated, and when I'll finish all my works it sucks a big achievements for myself.
Why should we hire you?
I bring a unique combinations of skills and experience that I believe would add value to your team. I'm hardworking, quick to learn, and eager to contribute to the company's success.
Where do you see yourself in 5 years?
I see myself success and more opportunity to have my goals. My goal is to become on owner of the company and more employer to work my own company.
Dilemma question.
My close friends who runs a small business ask you to adjust their financial records and qualify for critical loan. They promise to repay the favor, and you know their business might complies without the funds. However, falsified documents will violate professional ethics and could lead to legal actions. Do you help your friends or repose even if it strains the relationships?